Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, let me talk about the more specific your content are, better you to start on YouTube. Yes, I may say like that. If you creating a content that's so specific, that better for you to start your own YouTube journey. Why? Because this is the model from the Ali Abdaal that I learned from the book called A Million Dollar Weekend, I believe. And Ali Abdaal is very famous YouTuber right now, from England, from UK. And then his model is just like this. He start from very inner circle or very specific circle, which is medical students content. He made content or videos about how to take the test for medical students in UK, and then he got attraction. He got attracted to many people out there, and then the views goes up, and then slowly he moved up into the jobs things, and then move again into the productivity things. So the first milestone he had is he was attraction good attraction from the very specific users, very specific viewers, which is only medical students. Not only like that, the medical students who try to finish the exam easily. Simple, very simple, and very specific. After I don't know how the milestone or how the measure when to start to expand the new audience and then expand again to the new audience. I'm not really clear about that, but here his model about Ali Abdaal YouTube. And then the thing is, make sure your inner circle or your very specific circle still able to consume when you already enlarge your audience into the productivity, let's say. So the medical students, of course, they're looking for jobs. The medical students, of course, they're looking for high-end or how to improve their productivity. So that's the good model of Ali Abdaal content. Another example, for me, I'm trying to make videos for a YouTuber who's not a native in English. I'm not native English. I'm from Indonesia, by the way. And then I just dare myself to creating content in English, and then slowly and really slow, I'm trying to move into the productivity and then later a business. That's my plan today. Is it work? I never find I'm not crossing that line yet. Wish me luck, okay? But the Ali Abdaal model is so logic, and it's proven by him. Once again, try to start your YouTube from the very specific niche, very specific audience. The more specific you are, the better you start on your YouTube. I highlight start, okay? Start, not gain more views, but the more you specific, the more you good start of your YouTube channel. Later, I don't know when, I will move up to the larger audience, and then the more larger audience, but still the YouTuber who's not native in English supposed to be still consume my content. Okay, that's it. This theory, I hope you can get insight from this, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.